Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this simple eye makeup look. I used the shade that I showed you guys just now from the palette as my transitional shade, and when I'm done with that I applied the shade Hold from Huda Beauty palette right there. And yes, when I'm done with that I went ahead and applied the black shade from the palette on my lids just to, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, just to, cut my crease really. So when I'm done with that I applied the pigment that I showed you guys, the golden one from the stack that I showed you just now, and also the red shade below that, golden shade that I showed you just now. So yeah, that's all I did. It's very simple. And when I'm done with that I line my eyes with the eyeliner from the same brand, and I applied my lashes, which is by Case, the Naked Drama one in the style Twile, and I used the primer by the same brand, which is Bellapierre, and I really like this primer a lot. I think this is the best primer that I've tried in a while. Yeah, I said what I said. I like the primer a lot, and I think one of the best one that I've tried from the one of the best products that I've tried from the brand so far as well. So I'm quite happy with it, and I love the finish look that I got from the primer as well. So yeah, I blend my foundation in, which was the by Van Bondi is the Lock It foundation, and the prime, what am I saying, the concealer by MAC, which is the Prolong Wear, and I use that to highlight my eyes, my face as well. So I actually quite like the consistency of this, contour stick, but unfortunately it was way lighter it was way too light for me, so I couldn't use it, so I had to use my Huda Beauty contour one, but otherwise it felt so good on the skin. So I moved on by applying my setting powder. I actually saw a setting powder in the box but I forgot to use it, so yeah, I moved on by applying the blush from the palette and sprayed my face with my one and only Pixie Beauty uh, mixed paste. So yeah, I applied the highlighter palette from the products that I received as well. It's volume 1. Yeah, I used the volume 1. So there's also volume 2, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a bit. And I applied their lipstick as well. So I'll leave the details of the products in the description box below. But if not, stay tuned for my review and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please feel free to check out this brand and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look using the Bellapierre cosmetics products. So they reached out to me and said they would like me to try some of their products, and I thought, why not? Of course I will love to. So yeah, so they sent me all the products that I use in this video apart from the well-known ones that I owned before. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the ones that I used today with you guys. I've not been able to use all the products that were in the box, but I tried my best to use most of the products from the box that was sent to me. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow, which is one of the first products that I tried from the box. So this is what the palette looks like. It has 3, 6, 9, 12 shades in the palette, and you've got your shimmery shade and you've got your matte shade or black shade as well, in case you're going for a smoky eye look, which was one of the colors that I used to create this look. I really quite like the formula of the eyeshadow. There was a little bit fallout, but nothing crazy. The palettes, the shades in the palettes are very pigmented and very nice. They apply smoothly on the lids, which I really like a lot. I've only been able to use like 3 products from this palette so far, and I'm quite impressed with the ones that I tried so far from the palette, and this is what the packaging looks like. So the next product that I tried from the Glow palette, which looks like so, I really quite like this as well because you've got different tones, shade and colors of eyeshadow to work with, and I actually went for the gold one, these 2 shades on this. Gives that glowy look to the skin, which I really like a lot. I like the fact that it literally goes a long way as well. So that's what the packaging looks like. I really quite like that as well. I like the fact that I can use any of the shades in the palette as an eyeshadow or also as an highlighter. This one that I'm about to show you guys is actually glowing palette 2, and it looks like so. Guys, I love the packaging. It's so cute and very nice. Ooh, this one is color. Look at that, guys. I hope the camera is doing justice to this. Blue tone, it has gold tones, which I really like as well. Like that Bellapierre white highlighter. I don't know, maybe for inner corner, or, well, it depends on your skin tone really, but I really quite like the fact that it's so portable. The palette is really cute, and it also comes with a mirror, which is really good. Like seriously, when it comes to palettes, you need a mirror in your palette, obviously. So this for me, it's a no-brainer. People do wear blue eyelashes, but for me, I'm not quite sure. But I'll give it a go and see what it looks like on me. Maybe next time, maybe in one of my videos, I'll show you guys what it looks like on me. So the contour and highlights duo dark deep. So this is what that looks like. I think this is a little bit light for me, in my opinion, because when I applied it, it was not coming through on my skin, probably because it was way too light for me. I would have, you know, preferred it to be a tiny bit dark to be able to, you know, contour my face, if that makes sense, because it's actually a contour shade, you know, the dark side. And you also have the other side as an highlighter already, but I thought, well, I needed to try the highlighter palette to have a feel of it, because I actually like highlighter palettes for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, you've got an highlighter and your contour in one place, which is really quite handy, you know, for traveling purpose, if that makes sense. They also sent me their highlighter pot. It looks like so. There's a lot in this. This would really last me a lifetime. Like there's a lot in there really. So I've not tried this, but I would definitely be featuring this in my next of, you know, pigment, which I really like a lot. Guys, this pigment is wow. You can tell for my lids, I actually used 2 shades from this stack, which is the gold one and the red one, just, you know, these 2. And I am a fan. The pigments gave me that Bellapierre look that I was actually going for. So you've got 9 different shades in this stack. You can create as many looks as you like, colors, different tones, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But this is definitely a must in my opinion. I received 3 shades from their lipsticks, and I'm wearing one of them right now, which is the nude shade, what the packaging looks like. So this is the pink one from the one that I received. So I actually swatched it earlier, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's a very nice, bright, fuchsia shade, which I really like a lot for summer. So yeah. One of the most amazing products in this box that I really like a lot, that I would definitely recommend that you go out there and check out, is their primer right here. The primer gives that, how do I describe this? It gives that flawless airbrushed look to the skin, if that makes sense. So you can actually wear this even without wearing makeup, which in my opinion is just a no-brainer. I like how it just blurs my pores, everything just disappeared. When I applied it, I was like, wow, like seriously. I highly recommend you check this out and try it. I really recommend this. It's staying on my favorite list. So yeah, it's the eyeliner, yeah, right here. So yeah, I use that to line my eyes. It's really nice and very easy to apply, and it's very black. So if you like your eyeliner very black, then this is also a good one to try. Liquid eyeshadow right here. There are 4 in the packs. You've got this lime green. So these are the shades in the box. This is what they look like. Pardon my swatches, I am just quickly going through them with you guys so that this video would not be too long. Polarized holographic lip gloss. I actually use the shade right here on my lips. I layer that over the nude lipstick that I wore earlier. Guess what, guys? They smell amazing. Like, in terms of the smell, I'm a huge fan. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what they look like. And as you can tell, they're not they're not sticky or anything. They just, you know, apply smoothly on the lips and they give you that nicely glossy look, which I'm in for. Banana powder. I actually forgot that I had a powder in the box, but I I ended up using another brand's powder. But yeah, they actually have a banana powder right here, which looks like so. I'll be trying this next time. And also I received 2 of their liquid highlighter, which looks like so. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm just going to unbox this. Look at that tiny little pin there. I'm just going to, you know, blend it in. Look at that. My days. So if you're the type that like that light highlighters, then that's definitely for you. But if you're a little bit darker and you prefer your highlighter gold, then you go for this 24K gold, which is actually popping. Guys, it blends into my skin really well. Look at that. I am a fan. I really like this. I also received 2 of their brow pencil right there. I used this one for my eyebrow. They're quite easy to apply and they're very soft and they go on really nicely and smooth. So yeah, so those are the products in the box so far. If there's anyone that I've not tried today or used at all, I'll definitely feature them in my upcoming video, which would be soon. So that's my thoughts about the products so far. I'll leave the details of the brand in description box below. Please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.